Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to go to settings. Next you have to go to the display section, wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to put some live wallpapers, or you want to choose one of the preset, or you can just select one of your photos from your device, like this. Then you tap on set wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on lock screen or on home screen and lock screen. I'm going for both. And the wallpaper changed, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.